Brian, somebody is calling us. They just experienced a search warrant at their home or their business. What does that mean?
That means that federal agents have already presented a little bit of information to a federal magistrate, and that magistrate has ordered those agents to go search the premises and identify evidence of a crime that may be located there.
So in other words, a judge is involved, so a search warrant is a pretty serious event, correct?
It's a very serious event, yes.
And anyone going through a search warrant, what are some of the things that person should do and should not do?
I think the first thing that a person should do is cooperate with the agents on scene. Don't obstruct or impede their investigation. I would not recommend, however, answering questions if those agents ask you questions. And I would call a lawyer immediately, as soon as possible after the execution of that search warrant.
In your previous job, you were the U.S. Attorney. That means the highest federal prosecutor in your district. What are some of the first steps you would take now as a defense counsel with the experience from the Justice Department that you have under your belt to put the client going through a search warrant into a better position?
First thing, of course, is to have a very lengthy conversation with the client to get a better understanding of the situation that they find themselves in. But secondly, reach out to the United States Attorney's Office and have a conversation, a dialogue about, hey, what is the situation? Help me understand so that I can help my client through this.
So if somebody is experiencing a search warrant, can they contact you for advice?
Yes, call me, we'll have a conversation, and we'll help you get through the situation as best as possible.